Shared phone numbers have a number of benefits, and they've just gotten even better for Salesforce users. You can now elevate your inbound calling experience by configuring Salesforce Smart Routing, which automatically routes your caller to the Salesforce contact owner. The Ring to via API widget in Smartflows uses an API response to know which Aircall team, user, internal number, or external number to ring to based on data that lives outside of Aircall. Let's imagine I am a sales manager and we use Salesforce as our CRM, working with contacts. Our inbound sales team shares a single phone number that is provided to their qualified prospects during the trial period. To create a better, more efficient customer experience, we would like the call routed to the Salesforce contact owner automatically. This eliminates the whole team being interrupted by inbound calls from prospects that are not theirs and removes the possibility of the prospect having to be placed on hold while being transferred to their sales agent. Let's look at how I set this up using the Ring to via API widget in Smartflows. On this particular contact record, I am the contact owner. The contact owner field is a lookup field which searches the associated user object for all my user details, including my email address. Heading into Aircall, here I have my configured number. I have my standard welcome message where I inform the caller that we are routing them to their sales agent. Next, I have my Ring to via API widget. I have configured my widget to request the caller's phone number in Salesforce, and then respond with the contact owner's email address. Finally, I have added an overflow team called pre-sales team. This is optional, and it works purely as a catchment for calls where the contact owner is not available or they do not answer. It means that the call will not be missed. Before we get into seeing this in action, it is important to note that the contact owner does not have to be associated to the phone number to receive calls. I am not a member of the pre-sales overflow group, but I am the owner of the contact in Salesforce, which means my email address is associated to the contact. So long as my user email address in Salesforce matches my Aircall user email address, the call will route to me. Let's do a test call. The call has come into the phone number inbound sales, which as a reminder, I am not connected to. However, the call is still ringing to me as I am the contact owner according to the contact owner field in Salesforce and my associated user email address. You can also see here via the insight cards that I am the contact owner. I can quickly click on this to open up the contact profile in Salesforce before answering the call or during it. So as demonstrated, you can easily create a personalized and efficient phone service for customers even when using a shared phone number for your team, using the Smartflows Ring to via API widget.